Alright, guys. It is Friday, November 19th, 2021 at 6:03 p.m. Alright, let's start with a Bible verse. We have dailyverses.net. Verse of the day says, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your strength. Deuteronomy 6:4 through 5. Alright, let's start with this is disastrous. Supply chains disrupted. Mountains of grains stranded in Canada after unprecedented storms hit Vancouver, Canada's largest port, during peak shipping season. So we have flooded highways and rail lines in British Columbia disrupt supply chains. Here you see a train covered in dirt, and after a slide happened and the train was derailed. It says mountains of wheat and canola are stranded in Canada after storms blocked access to the port of Vancouver during peak shipping season. There's no real access to Canada's biggest port after days of torrential rain and landslides. About 20 vessels are waiting for deliveries, while a couple 100,000 tons of grain are stuck in transit, according to Quorum, a company that monitors Canada's grain transportation system. So a lot of landslides and rain flooding is pretty much blocking not only grain but people from traveling in parts of British Columbia. Alright. Next. Agriculture disaster after record rains caused catastrophic floods in British Columbia, Canada. That's what I was just talking about. British Columbia has declared a state of emergency on November 17th after several days of heavy rain caused catastrophic flooding in parts of the province. At least one person has been killed, but officials fear the death toll will rise. Another atmospheric river event hit British Columbia as part of the U.S. Northwest over the past weekend, dropping record-breaking rain. Parts of the region received more than 2 months of average rainfall in just 48 hours, causing rivers to overflow and low-lying parts to flood. The resulting floods destroyed roads and bridges, submerged homes and farmland, leaving at least one person dead in British Columbia. Alright. Destructive tornado hits Sicily, killing one and injuring two others. So one person was killed and two others injured after a tornado hit the Italian island of Sicily on November 17th, 2021. This is the latest in a series of deaths in Italy caused by extreme weather events in recent weeks. Alright, I'll leave the link for that article as well. Natural gas prices in Europe soar as Germany suspends approval for Nord Stream 2 pipeline. So natural gas prices in Europe soared again on Tuesday, November 16th, as German Federal Network Agency suspended the process of certifying the new Russian gas pipeline called Nord Stream 2. The pipeline was completed in September 2021 and is designed to bypass Ukraine and connect Russia directly to Germany. With about 40% of natural gas in the EU coming from Russia, leading energy traders have warned the risk of rolling blackouts in Europe and even an event as colder than average winter. In a statement issued today, it said that it would be possible to certify an operator in Nord Stream 2 pipeline if the operator was organized. Excuse me, guys, an app. If the operator was organized in illegal form under German law. Nord Stream 2 AG, which is based in Zug, Switzerland, has decided not to transform its existing legal form, but instead found a subsidiary under German law solely to govern the German part of the pipeline. The agency said in a statement, the subsidiary is to become the owner and operator of the German part of the pipeline. The subsidiary must then fulfill the requirements of the independent transmission operator as set out of the German Energy Industry Act. So they're pretty much going to another place other than Russia to try to get their gas and energy. Alright, guys. Next. A strong shallow 6.0 and a 6.4 earthquake hit southern Iran, 5 days ago. It says 2 shallow earthquakes registered on the 6 and 6.4 hit southern Iran in Hormozgan province at 12:07 and 12:08 UTC on November 14th. The agency is reporting depths of 5.6 or 3.5 miles, respectively. The EMSC is reporting them as a 6.0 and a 6.3 of the depth of 6.2 miles. Iran's Seismological Center is reporting the first quake as a 6.4 and the second as a 6.3. The epicenters of both earthquakes were located at Bandar Abbas, with a population of 352,000 people. It says 10,000 people are estimated to have felt the very strong shaking, 32,000 strong and moderate. So the USGS issued a yellow alert for shaking-related fatalities in Iran. So a lot of shaking going on. Alright. Next, the next 5 asteroid approaches. The closest Earth approach is 267,000 miles from Earth. It's about the meteor is about 24 feet in size, about bus size. The name of the meteor is 2021 VZ22. It will be passing today, November 19, 2021. But look how close it is to the Earth. 267,000 miles from Earth. That is a very close approach for a meteor. Alright, the next asteroid approximate size is 77 feet. The airplanes, it'd be about airplane size. The name of the asteroid is 2021 VJ11. The closest Earth approach is 1,620,000 miles from Earth. The date of passing will be November 19th, 2021. The next asteroid will be about 45 feet in size, about the size of a house. The name of the asteroid is 2021 VC9. It will be the closest Earth approach, 1,660,000 miles from Earth. It will be passing by November 19th, today as well, 2021. Then the next asteroid, is 2021 VW22, about 49 feet in size, about the size of a house. The closest Earth approach is 3,230,000 miles from Earth. It will be passing again today, November 19th, 2021. And then the last asteroid is 230 feet in size, about airplane size. The name of the asteroid is 2021 VR. The closest Earth approach is 3,690,000 miles from Earth. It will be passing on November 19th, 2021. Notice that all of these asteroids are passing by today. Today they're all passing, all these 5 asteroids, by the Earth. The closest one is 2021 VZ22, which is 267,000 miles from Earth, but is not that far away. Alright, also some riots happening in the Poland-Belarus border as migrant crisis intensifies. Also, riots happening. The Dutch police are firing warning shots as riots erupt at anti-lockdown protests in Rotterdam. So protests happening all over the place. Riots just happening because people are trying to resist the V, the V mandates. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more news, and see you guys next time. God bless you guys. I'll leave the link to the articles so you guys can check them out in the description. See you guys next time. God bless.